Hey beautiful people! Today, we're looking into a simple yet profoundly effective strategy to attract wealth directly into your lives. If you've ever wondered about the real power of words and how they can influence your financial success, then this video is for you. We'll explore how two specific words, when said nightly, can align your energy with the flow of prosperity. Let's unfold how these words can reshape your approach to wealth, ensuring you're not just chasing money, but rather, attracting it effortlessly. Stay tuned as we open up these powerful words and learn how to integrate them into our daily rituals to manifest financial abundance. Wealth attraction is more than just a concept, it's a practice that, when done consciously, can lead to significant changes in how we view and accumulate wealth. At its core, wealth attraction is about aligning your mental and emotional energies with the financial success you desire. It's about setting your intentions clear and letting the universe know you are ready to receive abundance. The words we speak are incredibly powerful. They have the energy to boost or block our path to prosperity. Each word carries a vibration that can set the tone for our thoughts and actions. By choosing our words wisely, we engage in a form of self-empowerment, priming our mindset to focus on opportunities and positivity rather than limitations and negativity. To effectively attract wealth, your mindset must be in alignment with the goals you aim to achieve. It starts with cultivating a mindset that not only believes in abundance but also actively expects and accepts it. Your mindset acts as the foundation upon which all your financial successes are built. Therefore, ensuring it is positive and receptive to wealth is crucial. One of the most important steps in preparing your mindset for wealth attraction is to clear out any negative beliefs about money. Many of us carry subconscious beliefs that money is hard to come by, or that achieving wealth must involve struggle. These beliefs are barriers to the flow of abundance. To attract wealth, you need to clear these hurdles by consciously recognizing and replacing them with affirmations that promote a healthy and abundant view of money. This process involves regularly monitoring your thoughts about wealth and money. When a negative thought arises, acknowledge it, and then replace it with a positive affirmation. This practice helps in gradually shifting your beliefs and making you more receptive to the wealth you desire to attract. Now, let's reveal the two powerful words that can help you attract wealth: abundance and flow. These words are chosen for their positive connotations and their ability to shift your mindset towards wealth. Abundance helps you focus on the limitless opportunities and resources available around you. It encourages a mindset that believes there is more than enough in the world for everyone, including you. Saying this word nightly reinforces the belief that you are not only deserving of wealth but also surrounded by it. Flow represents ease and continuity. It reminds you that wealth doesn't need to come through hard struggles or relentless toil, it can flow into your life effortlessly if you are open and aligned with it. By incorporating flow into your nightly affirmations, you cultivate an ease around money, allowing it to come to you without resistance. To use these words effectively, integrate them into a nightly affirmation routine. You might say, "I am surrounded by abundance, and wealth flows to me easily." Repeat this affirmation calmly and with conviction before you sleep. The repetition of these words helps to embed them into your subconscious, making their effects more profound over time. By understanding and utilizing the power of abundance and flow, you set the stage for wealth to enter your life. Remember, the consistency of this practice is key. Nightly repetition not only helps to reinforce your belief in these words but also aligns your entire being with the wealth you wish to attract. Let's see how to effectively use the words abundance and flow to manifest wealth in your life. It all begins with making these powerful affirmations a part of your nightly routine. Before you go to sleep, find a quiet spot where you can sit comfortably and undisturbed. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and center yourself to prepare for the affirmation. Slowly and clearly, repeat the phrase, "I am surrounded by abundance, and wealth flows to me easily." As you say these words, try to really feel their meaning and envision what they represent. Enhance the power of these affirmations through visualization. Imagine the wealth you desire as already yours. See yourself living a prosperous life, engaging with wealth confidently and joyfully. This visualization process not only reinforces your affirmations but also aligns your subconscious with your conscious desires. To further empower your practice, integrate meditation and mindfulness into your daily routine. Regular meditation improves mental clarity and focus, supporting a positive wealth-attracting mindset. Being mindful throughout the day ensures that negative thoughts don't overshadow your positive affirmations. Another supportive practice is gratitude journaling. Each day, take a moment to write down what you are grateful for, especially any signs of abundance and flow in your life. This shifts your focus from scarcity to abundance, creating a positive loop of attraction. Consistency is crucial. Make these practices a consistent part of your evening routine to deeply ingrain these concepts in your subconscious. This consistency not only solidifies your belief in your ability to attract wealth but also prepares your mind to accept the abundance and flow as your new reality. While you start on this journey of attracting wealth through the power of words, it's crucial to stay aware of common pitfalls. First, avoid setting unrealistic expectations. Affirmations work as part of a broader strategy of mindset adjustment and active pursuit of goals, not as instant solutions. It's also vital to guard against negative speech and thoughts that can counteract your affirmations. Regularly monitor your thoughts and redirect any negative ones back to positivity and your affirmations. Staying vigilant in these areas ensures that your efforts to attract wealth are effective and sustained. By understanding these potential challenges and preparing for them, you can enhance your practice and increase your chances of success in attracting the wealth you desire. Stay focused on your goals, maintain consistency in your affirmations, and remain positive and proactive in your approach. This way, you reinforce your commitment to transforming your financial life through the power of abundance and flow. Staying motivated can be challenging, especially when results aren't immediate. To maintain your focus and dedication to attracting wealth through affirmations, setting achievable goals is crucial. Break down your financial goals into smaller, manageable targets that provide frequent satisfaction of achievement. This method helps maintain your motivation by celebrating small wins on the way to larger successes. Additionally, keep a record of any progress or positive changes, no matter how small. This record acts as a physical reminder of your journey and success, reinforcing your commitment and motivation. To conclude, using the words abundance and flow in your daily affirmations can significantly impact your ability to attract wealth. We've discussed how to integrate these affirmations into your nightly routine, enhance their power with visualization and complementary practices, and the importance of consistency and a positive mindset. The journey to wealth attraction through affirmations is gradual and requires dedication and patience. Keep focused on your goals, continue to affirm your wealth, and believe in the process. Thank you for joining me in this exploration of how 2 simple words can transform your financial reality. I encourage you to start tonight, keep consistent, and watch as your life aligns with the abundance and prosperity you seek. Don't forget to share your experiences and any changes you notice as you incorporate these powerful affirmations into your life. Let's attract wealth together, one affirmation at a time.